Richard Martin, Boatshed, Chichester, aboard this Mary Fisher 580. Just having a look down in the cabin area there. Plenty of room. Back out through the companionway. Looking at the helm position. Instruments there. And up we've got VHF radio. And of course, with all the Mary Fishers, we've got this wheelhouse to protect us if it gets a bit wet or a bit rough. Coming back round, looking into the cockpit area. Again, plenty of room. Seats at the back there, right next to a Honda 90, which is relatively new. Nice lot of deck space. You can see that on ChichesterBoatshed.com.